Okay, guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Israel's Fashion World. Today, I'll be teaching you guys how to cut a sleeve, a perfect sleeve for a perfect shirt. You understand? So, and in this shirt, in this sleeve actually, we have two pattern and two methods of getting it. You understand? But before that, please don't forget to like my videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to also click on the notification button so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified about the video. Thank you and God bless you. Okay, we have two methods, the armhole method and the shoulder method. There are also other method like round bust method, you understand, like sleeve length method, but we'll not be going into all those one. But I just want to show you guys two methods now, but I'll be using one to illustrate it. We have the armhole method. The armhole method is just as you can see, I'm using this shirt to illustrate it. As you can see, this shirt now is being coupled, the shoulder is coupled already. Now, if you want to construct your you can get your sleeve. How do you do it? Simple, just use your tail, place around the armhole. You understand? You place around the armhole. Whatever you have, that's what you'll be using as your armhole for the sleeve measurement. You understand? And what we have here is 8.5. This 8.5 is just 17. You understand? Then, if you want to make use of our shoulder measurement, how do we do it? You place it from edge to edge. You understand? You make it go around. What you having here is 17.5. Difference of half inch from what we have here on armhole. Now, do you know why it's like this? In this place, we added extra half inch for the joining of the sleeve so that it will not affect your measurement. Then why here is exactly was because that's exact measurement for the shoulder. You know what we have? We use what we have as a shoulder to also construct the armhole. That's why it's as if the measurement is varying. Do you understand? Then also the extra inch you are seeing here that makes it that 17 is because the allowance we added on the dress is 2 inches. This person actual shoulder measurement is 15. 15 plus 2 inches. That's why we are having 17. If you can see, we got 17 here, 17 here. Okay, now I'll be drafting this in on the measurement paper. Okay, as you can see, this is the measurement paper. I've folded it into two. Then I'll also be folding it again. That's which means we'll be cutting the two sleeve left and right together. Okay, guys, please let's just pay attention to this video. It's a very simple topic actually, cutting a sleeve. This cutting sleeve stuff, you can use it to get any kind of sleeve you want to get. It's very simple. Now our shoulder is 17. Sorry, our shoulder is 15. 15 divided by 2 is 17. It's 7.5. 7.5 plus the 2 inches allowance we have. You mark it again. 7.5 plus the 2 inches allowance we have. Then for the sleeve length, we'll be making you sleeve length of 10. 10, then plus 2 inches allowance for folding. But in this case, I'll not be using two inches. I'll be adding extra half inch. The essence for this extra half inch is because at the end of the day, after attaching here to the armhole, you notice that your measurements have reduced with half inch. So that half inch, that's what I'm replacing here. So I'll be using 2.5 inches for the our seam allowance. Do you understand? Please, if you get confused at any point, don't forget to drop your question at the comment section and I'll be there to attend to it. Yes, it's a promise. So at the end of the day, I'll be using my rule to connect it, the vertical and the horizontal line. You see, we're having a kind of shape, a box shape here now. So for this part now, this is our armhole, which is also known as a bicep. Now I will be getting my armhole base. Our armhole base standard we usually use is 3 inches. Now from here, you step down with 3 inches. From here to here now is 3 inches. Then to get the armhole base curve, we'll divide whatever we have here, including our allowance, by 2. What we have here is 9.5. 9.5 divided by 2 is 4 3/4. And this is our 4 3/4 here. Now you will make a call. It's either use your French curve or use your free hand, whichever one that is favorable for you. Please, it's advisable to use it. Okay, so as you can see, now you ask me what's the measurement from here. From here now, we step down with half inch. From this up, you step down with half inch. That's where this curve connects to. Then from there, you make a slant curve coming out. You will not get to this edge, the middle point. Now, another thing is as our round sleeve, we make use of round sleeve of 13. 13 divided by 2 is 6 and a half. This is 6 and a half plus our extra 2-inch allowance. Most times, you must not use 2 inches allowance because of excess allowance. Like me now, I don't like using 2 inches allowance. So I'll make use of either 1 inch or 1.5. Yes. Whichever one you feel that is okay for you, please make use of it. No law will hold you against it. Mark it. Now step up with that your 2.5 inches you added for your seam allowance. For a clearer understanding. You understand? This ours. Here from here to here now is our seam allowance. So if now this all though, the only thing I'm using now, I'm using my rule to connect it from the armhole base to the actual round sleeve measurement. Then this one is the seam. Now I want to show you guys something. Then sometimes when after cutting your sleeve, now you fix it on the cloth. You understand? When you fold this part now, you will notice that it's entering inside your original cloth measurement. It's not like it's even entering where the allowance is. It's entering, it's affecting your real sleeve measurement. Now, to avoid that problem, I'll show you guys a little trick here. From this point, from this point, this point now, step out with half inch or 3/4 inch, whichever one that is favorable for you. Then from here now, you make a connection. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Are you seeing it? From here now, you slant it out. When you fold it now, you will find out that it will relax very well and comfortably on the sleeve, on the round sleeve. So I'll be cutting it, but before then, I'll be notching the midpoint. Very important. I'll be notching the midpoint. So let's cut together. Okay, guys, as you can see, after cutting it, you open up this side. Now, this is two parts for the sleeve. Now, if it's your fabric, indicate the back. Very important, so you will not end up using the back for the front and using the front for the back. As you can see, this is two sleeve. Now, on this sleeve now, anywhere can go for left, anywhere can go for right because you've not added your sleeve effect. We'll be adding it now, so you know where for that is for right and where is for left. Now you open it, the right side facing the right side. Then understand? Front facing front. You place it together. Always make sure that the midpoint is meeting each other. How do you know your midpoint? That's the essence of notching. As you can see, both of them are meeting. I want to show you guys how to get your sleeve effect on this. Whatever you have here, divide by 2. From this midpoint to this edge, I repeat again, from this midpoint, from this midpoint to this end, whatever you have here, like what we have here is 10 now. Divide by 2 is 5, right? You mark your 5. This is your 5. Then you step down with either half or 3/4, but I'll be using half inch for this tutorial. Now you make a kind of a curve. This cutting, it will not affect here. Then you connect it back to your measurement. This is our effect. So I'm using my scissors to cut it. Watch me very well. I did not touch here, because anything that make you put scissors here and you are cutting here, you shorten your measurement and it will affect you. Please, let's take note of that. As you can see, we cut it off. Now this our, you indicate the parts you used for your side armhole effect. Now it will be very easy for you now to indicate the part that is the right sleeve and the part that is the wrong sleeve. Like now, if you turn this one in the front now, automatically you already know that this side is for the left side, while this one is for the right side. Do you understand? Then for that extra I added, now see the work of that extra half inch added. You see, when you fold it now, you notice that it's relaxing very well. But if I not add that half, you notice that here now will enter inside, which is will be affecting our main sleeve measurement, which is very wrong. Please, let's take notes of this. Whether you are cutting a long sleeve, whatever kind of sleeve you are cutting, please always make sure that you avoid some kind of errors that will not be helpful for your material or fabric. That's why most time it's very advisable to cut with a pattern paper before tracing on the material. Okay guys, thanks very much for watching. I will also be tracing it on the material and cut it off. Then I'll be attaching it on the sleeve. That will be a class of another day. How to fix your sleeve on the material. Thanks for watching guys, and God bless you.